Hey guys, Root 1 here with another video, ShrikeLinux, another release of ShrikeLinux. We have released another version, ShrikeLinux. Remember, we are having two ISOs, the one with TINT2 panel and the one with XFCE panel, customized XFCE panel. And this is a TINT2 panel, the one we have. Even the host machine is the one we are using with the TINT2 panel graph box. Alright, let's enter here. So this is a ShrikeLinux with TINT2 panel in KVM. Here we have our Rofi. Rofi is installed by default. We have XFCE settings here, and we have got files as file manager, our Thuna, and I'm sorry, previously we have been having .files here, and I don't know why I've been not remembering to remove them, because even me, they are bothering me if they come by default displayed. But I've sorted that one. And here we have got Vim on left click, and on right click we have a mouse pad. We have mouse pad there. And also, what I've forgotten on this panel, remember previously this panel was not in auto hide, and it was overriding the windows. So I had to get a solution whereby this panel will not disturb people, and even any user, even me. So I had to put it in auto hide, because I saw most of people, whenever they go on my Sourceforge, they always download the one with the TINT2 panel. Most of them, they like this one, and then the bar was disturbing. I think even that one caused some of people not to download it, because it boomed. There is weeks it boomed, but again after some weeks I started to see it declining. Then I realized that maybe this one was bothering a lot of people. So it is by default hidden. And on edit, yeah, we are seeing edit. View, we have restrator, our image viewer. And we have trash, but we have not trashed anything. That's why it doesn't show anything. And on disk, we don't have any drive on here. On drive, we don't have any inserted drive right now. That's why it's showing like that. And this one, it's how you mount your drive. You can put like dev SDB or dev SDC. It depends where what your device showing on your machine. Like you do LSB LK to check the block, but there is nothing here. I mean, virtual machine, and nothing is added. So on updates, we have update where you update your machine. Here you just click there and you put your password, then it proceeds. We have Octopi installed by default. It's there for installing your packages and updating them. We have install. Here it's where you install your packages. Let's say Vim. You install Vim like that, put your password, and you continue. But already I have Vim. I wanted to show you. And even on right click on install, we have where you install your AUR packages. Let's say FreeTube. Let's say, you see, command not found, yay is not found. So you can, if you add yay, you can install packages from yay there, or else you can use your Octopi. Okay, so as this bar, the TINT2 panel, hides by default, if you want, like you are using a laptop, you want to log into your network, you put your cursor, you raise it on the end of up on the screen, then it brings the panel down, then you click on your icon, network icon, and then you add your network there. So here, down here, we have XFCE buttons. Those ones, you know them, for logout and everything there. We have notification too here, and also we have key rings here. The reason why I added here key ring, because I thought most of people will not see it there, so it's there. You can again use it from there. And we have Scrot. Scrot is a screenshot a program which can screenshot the all display, and even vocal screen recorder. It records your screen. You can even it has an option where a function whereby it can allow you to use your camera or external audio, like a microphone. And we have here Qt browser, it's here, and let's wait, it's opening. So after Qt browser, it's this one, Vim-like browser. So after Qt browser, we have here our workspaces. Switching workspaces, you can use Control F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. We have 6 workspaces. So on the plank we have Brasero, we have vocal screen recorder and Qt browser. This one you can remove them because we have them even there. You remove them like this, you drag it here in space, you leave it like that, you drag again, you leave it like that, yeah, because we have them here. So we have Vim. Vim is installed by default in ShrikeLinux by default. Xcolor, the same. Xcolor is a color picker. It picks like this color. Let's open our mousepad like this. You click on Xcolor, you pick your color, you paste it there. It works like that. And after Xcolor, we have Creator. It's like Photoshop, or creating your logos and everything concerning the photo. Is it photograph? I'm like improving your photos, or your wallpapers, your logos, etc. And here we have Thuna File Manager, and we have XFCE terminal. We have here we have This is MPV player, and we have Firefox here. We have Firefox installed by default. It's a browser we have. After Firefox, we have another application called FreeTube. This one helps you to watch YouTube videos. This one, it's a client, YouTube client, and we have a mouse pad here down. Okay, those are some of things we have by default. We will talk about others maybe when I remember them, because there are some of things which I'm not remembering. This is ShrikeLinux. First fetch. It is ShrikeLinux. The kernel is 6.17.8. The kernel, latest kernel. And this is the graph duck. These are fonts we are using, and Shrike graph we are using as a theme. Icons are graph duck. Alright, so the next one we are going to see ShrikeLinux with Shrike bar, XFCE bar, but customized. Remember the previous video, I showed you that bar, how we tricked it, and let's see it. Log out. In fact, let's just shut down this one. Oh, I've not shown you the wallpaper, but the wallpaper are the same here. I can use these ones wallpaper. You see it here. These are the wallpapers we have. These ones, these are all wallpapers. These are all wallpapers. It depends on the one you like. Those are all wallpapers. Alright, let's go to another one. Node theme, it's the one we are going to see. So TINT2 panel, it is transparent. Even in the other previous ISO we have seen, all of them, they are updated. November 20th, all of them today. Okay, I'm sorry, that is a Telegram. Alright, this is ShrikeLinux with the node theme. It's a node theme. So this is our XFCE. This is our XFCE panel. Again, we have the same. We have our roughing. Again, Alt F1 spawn roughing, and also here with mouse you can click settings, XFCE settings, file manager, it is Thuner, editor is mousepad, viewer is restrator, and trash, there is nothing. You would have seen it opens. You would have seen it opening the Thuner folder, the folder in Thuner, and here again there is no any device mounted. That's why it has that error. And here update, the way you have seen, what you have seen in the previous version with TINT2 panel. It has Octopi 2 installed by default, that is Octopi graphical package manager for installing and updating your packages. Install. This one has only Pacman, doesn't have here like the other one. So here you put your package, and then it installs the package, and then after that we are let me first try to shut down this thing, this one. I think it is off now. So, and here it's your network here, and then these are icon XFCE default icons for power, and we have notification here, and then key rings. We have scrot. We have vocal screen recorder, and we have here a Qt browser. So on this side we have a directory menu for XFCE directory menu. It's there, and we have a Firefox installed by default. We have again FreeTube is there, and here that is Firefox, and that is another one is coming. This is FreeTube for YouTube. Let me show you ShrikeLinux, and this is ShrikeLinux, my channel for Shrike. Okay, let me close this one, and this is Vim, our text editor, and after Vim we have my micro mousepad. It's there, mousepad. We have again color picker Xcolor. We have Bracero is there, and we have a terminal, the XFCE terminal, and then Thuna File Manager. So these two ISOs are uploaded on Sourceforge. You can find them on Sourceforge if you want to download any, or you want to download both. They are all there. So here, these are the wallpapers for ShrikeLinux in Node theme. We have that one, we have another one, that one, we have that one too. There is another one here, that one. There is this one. It will depend on the one you like. There is this one too. There is this one. There is this one, but it's white. ShrikeLinux logo. It's not a wallpaper, it's a logo. There is this one, and there is this one for Grav. There is this one, and then the default one. Alright, that is ShrikeLinux, and it's there on Sourceforge. I've not uploaded it on my code bag because it is 2.1, 2.2 there. so I don't know if they will complain. They will not allow me to upload it. That's why I've not uploaded it there. So that is ShrikeLinux. You choose the one you like, the one you love to run. Any of them, any of two, any you choose to run, it's the one you choose, because there are two. It will depend on your favorite color, or the one you see that it looks nice to your eyes. So this is ShrikeLinux, and thank you for watching. I'm sorry I have here folders. I'm ashamed of these folders. That's why most of time I don't show you my desktop, because even me, I don't like folders and icons on my desktop. But because this is a production machine, it's where I'm doing my work and building scripts, and even building ShrikeLinux. Sometimes I tend to rush and put some things on the desktop. I delete them. Sometimes others remains because there are some files I want to pick from them. That is it. But the updates now we have, I think in future we will see another ShrikeLinux with Spectra WM. We are still running, we are still having the other installer, which you are seeing ShrikeLinux using. I've not yet got a good installer for ShrikeLinux. I thought I'll use Calamori's, because there are some people who wanted Calamori, but recently I tried Calamori's, but it was a bit tricky for me. Whenever I tried to add Calamori on this ISO, it was showing MK init CPU error, and another one was bootloader, and another one, it was complaining on Calamori user. I tried to trick it. When you trick it, you find that it is passing there. It doesn't tell you, doesn't complain on user. Okay, user, it tells you, because when you go to settings.conf, I think, in Calamori settings, which you put in etc, or which are installed in etc, that file, it's where Calamori is always put the file. Put in it's those are configurations for Calamori's. So when you when you remove user, it doesn't include, it doesn't bring that option where you can add a user. So those are the errors I had, so I had to bypass it. But when you bypass it, you find that it is complaining MK CPIO, MK init CPIO, or bootloader error, or there is another error. So I decided to leave it, and the one who was telling me that I should add Calamori's, I think you should wait. I'll see what I'll do, maybe the next version, or maybe next year. But I wanted to get another installer which can help me, the graphical for other people, because some of people, they are complaining that this cursor installer is hard for them. But it's not hard, because this installer, it takes only 5 minutes to install your ShrikeLinux. Only 5 minutes. In fact, less than 5 minutes. I think 4 minutes, because these are the one I've installed in KVM. These two I've used for the GravBox. The one with GravBox I used 4 minutes, and another one I've used 5 minutes. That is it. So they are not, the install is not bad. The install is not bad. It's working well. Alright, thank you so much, and good morning those who are sharing the time zone like me, and